Hi everyone, Lisa here. It is Bank Holiday Sunday in May and I'm here to show you an unboxing of Papermaze April kit. I've also got a couple of little add-ons to show you, and then I will be recording another video in a moment which is the unboxing of the Lottie Loves Paper April kit as well. So if you want to see that, there'll be another video coming soon. Okay, this is the April kit. I actually have had the kit and then I also had the add-on cardstock. So really got the kit because it's really pretty paper. The cardstock is a good price, and you get 4 nice cards that match. So I'm going to show you those first, I think. So here's the cardstock. Let's go this way. Okay, that's the first one. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. That is called Lava. Yeah, I can see why it's called Lava, can't you? And then we have this one. These are all Basils, by the way. This is called Petunia. Then we have a blue, which is called Coastal. I think I've had Coastal before. I had one very similar anyway. And the last one in the add-on cardstock is Blossom. So those are the colours of the kit really. So you can see there what sort of colours we're going to get. And then the actual kit itself comes with a couple of pieces of card. So this month they were this one, which is another Basil, which is called Whirlpool, and a white. And the white one is called Lily White. Yeah, it's really weird, but when I'm looking, I bet you can't see it. When you look at the texture on these, I'm just going to stand up and see if I can get it so you can see it. I don't know if you can. The texture on the first 4 is like a woven linen. The texture on this one is similar, but it's sort of got a grain going across there. And the texture on this one is like a diagonal grain. Oh, all different. It's also a bit thinner, that one is, but there we go. Who knew? They came in different textures. Right, and now we've got the cardstock. So, sorry, the paper stock. So this first one is Pink Fresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide, and it's called Instinct. Hopefully you can see that there. Yeah, which is really pretty. Love those colours, really fresh. And then the back of that, it's like a sort of ombre, but it's got a stripe to it. Really liking that one. Right, what we've got next? Oh, this one is called Paper Crane Cherry Blossoms. Think to remember, photo play. So hopefully you can see that. It's like a little fans designs or little monochrome rainbows. There's the branding strip there. And the back one of this one is, oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Cherry blossoms. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put that way. Okay, and next one, let's get it the right way up, is this one. Again, it's Pink Fresh Studio, and it's a lovely white with peachy colour's not very good in here today actually. A bit overcast considering it's really sunny outside. This is called Be You Happy from Pink Fresh, and then on the rear we have this sort of aqua colour. Beautiful. Next up is this one. Again, photo play. Spring in My Garden, Birds and Bees, and it's an orangey red stripe. Looks like it's been painted on. And then the background to that, oh, the other side of that is gorgeous. Look at that, how cute is that? Birds and the bees. Okay. And then we have this one, which is Pink Fresh again, Be You. Lovely, lovely, lovely colours. There's peachy pinkies and that aqua green's gorgeous. So these are all little squares on a grid background though, so they can be cut out quite easily. And this is Be You Kind. And then the back of that is dashes, stripes that are little dashes. and it's different colours, so it goes from a bluey green right the way up. At the top it's like a reddish colour. There we are. And then lastly, oh, I've had this one before in a different kit. Maggie Holmes Flourish, and I love this. I actually cut these fronds out when I had it previously. It's a bit of an off-white colour, hopefully you can see the difference there. And in the background, I can see why it's picked for this kit. It's like paint stripes but ombre. Lovely. Gorgeous colours, they fit together so nicely, don't they? And then we have a little kit with some embellishments in. So I'm just going to empty this out. See what goodies we've got. Okay, there are two, hopefully you can see these, two overlays. Let's put them on there. So that one says today and that one says good times. I've never used an overlay before, so that's going to be interesting. Then I have some dewdrops, little pink ones. I have some words. I'm just going to put these on my hand to show you. I've got live more. Got a little arrow with love, and I've got happy. Very nice. Oh, I've got happy. Looks like the other half of that Y is fallen off. Oh dear. If I can find that, I can glue it back on. Right, so there's those. I have a couple of very pretty pink flowers, paper flowers. They're nice. I have a very glittery frame. Two foamy words. I've got create and loved. They are freckled fawn foam words. Yeah, they're pretty. Okay, I have a frame, a stitch frame. That's Pink Fresh Studio again. That's nice. Some doilies, pink doilies. Oh, more dewdrops. And a couple of, I don't know what they are, wooden, what would you call those? Leaf fronds, I suppose. Are they wood? Yeah, like chipboard. Cool, so that's the kit. I'm kind of liking that. I'm loving the colours. I can see how they're all going to fit together beautifully. Very spring-like, very very pretty. So looking forward to having a go with that. Watch this space for what I make. Thanks for looking. See you soon. Bye.